Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an iPad user who's tired of being tethered to your phone just to use WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring how to set up WhatsApp on your iPad without your phone in 2025, thanks to some awesome updates that make it seamless. This method uses WhatsApp's multi-device feature, which has been enhanced for better independence on tablets. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPad is updated to the latest iPad OS. Aim for 2025's release for full compatibility. Head over to the App Store and search for WhatsApp. In 2025, WhatsApp now has a dedicated iPad app that supports standalone use, so download and install it. Once that's done, open the app and you'll be prompted to link your account. Next, on your phone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Linked Devices. Scan the QR code that appears on your iPad screen using your phone's camera. This will connect your iPad to your WhatsApp account. Here's a pro tip. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network for a smoother setup, but don't worry. With 2025's updates, you can even link via a one-time code if you're not nearby. After linking, your iPad will sync your chats, contacts, and media automatically. Now, you can send messages, make calls, and manage groups directly from your iPad without your phone being online. It's that simple. Remember, for security, always use a strong passcode on your iPad and enable two-factor authentication in WhatsApp settings. One common issue might be sync delays, so give it a few minutes if things don't load right away. And if you're traveling, make sure you have a stable internet connection. WhatsApp relies on it heavily. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you're now free to use WhatsApp on your iPad without your phone. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.